22nd, and it is crazy out there with the birds. They're all over the place. Birds just migrating. Looks like they're resting for the night in West Virginia. Yeah, they're coming pretty low. I mean, they're coming even as low as this tree here. Here they come. They're coming from over the roof there. There's Bubba just watching the show. Nixon scaring the birds out of the trees. And falling, and I caught that on video.
Oh my goodness. Oh no!
Full moon.
Oh my god, he's super.
What do you think about it, Tuck? Tuck, what do you think about all the birds? Oh yeah? What do you think about all the birds, Nixon?
Oh, I think it's
Baba, what do you think?
It's a potato farm. I'm all dirty.
You're why? What happened?
I just lipped.
You lipped? Did you slip?
Like this.
Oh, watch out, a bird might poop on you. Come on and poop. Good luck for us. So, I mean, they're definitely coming from the north, because that's north.
Yeah.
And they're just trying to find somewhere to settle in for the night. Man.
This is east, that's west. No.
They're coming right over the roof at us.
Never
And this has been happening for a few days now, so they start taking over all the trees. Look at all this guys. All right, that's it. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Jackson, say goodbye.